Hello all, welcome to Narod Masters Academy, our daily current affairs including GS and GK. The first question, which country hosts BIMSTEC Business Summit 2024? The options India, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar. The option is India. India's Ministry of External Affairs and the Confederations of India Industries host the first BIMSTEC Business Summit in New Delhi from August 6 to 8, 2024. The summit, inaugurated by Dr. S. Jaishankar and attended by key leaders, aims to boost regional trades and investments among BIMSTEC countries. Over 300 stakeholders will discuss trade, connectivity, energy security, inclusive growth, and sustainable development. Next question. Recently, who has been conferred with Fiji's highest civilian award, Champion of the Order of Fiji? The options Draupadi Murmu, Narendra Modi, S. Jaishankar, Amit Shah. The option A, Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu. So during her first official visit to Fiji from August 5 to 7, 2024, President, President Draupadi Murmu was honored with Fiji's highest civilian award, the Champion of the Order of Fiji. She is the first Indian president to visit Fiji, where she met with the Prime Minister Sitiveni Rabuka and President Ratu William and Maiwali Katnavere. The Fiji government also allocated lands for a 100-bed super specialty hospital supported by India. Next question. Which day is celebrated as National Handloom Day every year? August 7th, celebrated as National Handlooms Day every year. India Handloom Heritage and Support Artisans launched in 2015 to mark the Swadeshi movement's century, it promotes indigenous crafts and empowers weavers. The 2024 aim focuses on integrating technology and innovation to expand market access and enhance skill development for artisans. Next question. Recently, where was the fifth meeting of the Asian India Trade in Goods Agreement Joint Committee held at Jakarta. The fifth Asian India Trade in Goods Agreement Joint Committee meeting in Jakarta from July 29th to August 1st, 2024 aimed to enhance economic cooperation between ASEAN and India by reviving the 2009 ETIGA. ASEAN, ASEAN is a key trade partner for India with significant trade volumes and notable trade deficit. Next question. What is C-130J? Super Hercules. Recently seen in news. Nothing but turboprop military transport aircraft. A. Bangladesh registered C-30-130J Hercules jet became the first tracked flight on FlightRadar24.com amid rumors of the Bangladesh Prime Minister leaving the country. The C-130J Super Hercule, developed by the Lockheed Martin, is a four-engine military transport aircraft used for tracheal mission. It has a 19-ton payload capacity, can operate from rough runway, and is free. Next question. Recently, which state has become the first in country to implement a disaster risk transfer parametric insurance solution by the country of Nagaland? The government of Nagaland signed a memorandum of understanding with SBI General Insurance to complement the disaster risk transfer parametric insurance solution, making Nagaland the first state in India to adopt such a measurement. Next question. Which state government recently launched Upasthiti portal for health department employees? By the state government of Jharkhand. Chief Minister Hemant Soren launched the Upasthiti portal to track daily attendance of health workers in Jharkhand. The system will verify biometric attendance to ensure accommodability. Soren empathizes the government's committee to improve health facilities, aiming to provide better medical service in hospitals and health centers. Efforts including enhancing maintenance resources and investigation faculties to ensure accessibility healthcare for all residents of Jharkhand. Next question. Adi Chunchangiri Peacock Sanctuary, recently seen in news, is located in which state? In the state of Karnataka. Recently, Union Minister M. Bhupender Yadav announced the establishment of two new peacock sanctuaries in India, Adi Chunchangiri in Karnataka and Cholanur in Kerala. The initiative aims to protect peacocks and their habitats, ensuring they can breathe through without interference. The government is also enhancing conversion efforts, including breeding centers to boost fruitful populations. Protecting these birds is a vital for the biodiversity and cultural heritage as they play important roles in ecosystems. Next question. Which Indian state hosts the seventh editions of Men's Asian Champions Trophy hockey tournament? Tamil Nadu. The seventh edition of Men's Asian Champions Trophy hockey tournament, which was instituted in 2011, began at Chennai's Mayor Radhakrishnan Stadium. So it is the first time that the tournament is being held in India, and Tamil Nadu capital will be hosting an international hockey tournament after a gap of more than 15 years. India, South Korea, Malaysia, Japan, and Pakistan teams are participating in this tournament. Next question. Recently, which ministry has introduced its first standard operating procedure for the seamless supports of human organs? By the Ministry of Family and Welfare. The Union and Health Ministry has introduced standard operating procedures for transporting organs across India using air, road, rail, and waterways. These guidelines ensures efficient transport when donor and recipients are in the different locations. Next question. Port Moresby is the capital city of which country? The capital of Papua New Guinea. Port Moresby, the expansion capital of Papua New Guinea, is located to the north of Australia. Next question. Which country has objected the incorporation of Sanskrit phrase Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam in the G20 logo? By the country of China. China has objected to the incorporation of the Sanskrit phrase Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam and chosen as the Indian presidency G20 team in various G20 documents, including the G20 Energy Ministers' outcoming documents and religions. Which country Independence Day is also called as Tujuh by the country which country independence is called as Tujuh is known as Indonesia. The Google Dogle celebrated Indonesia's 78th Independence Day, also called as Tujuh with a special illustrations created by an artist Dhela Marin. Indonesia officially declared independence from Dutch rule on 17th August 1945. Next question. Dada Saheb Phalke Lifetime Achievement Award was recently conferred with which actor? By the actor Wahida Rahman. Next question. Jashwin Aldrin was seen in the news. Plays which sports? By the sports of long jump. Long jump Jashwin Aldrin wins the gold in World Athletics Continental Tour bronze event recently held in Switzerland. Next question. Diksha Dhagar, who was seen in the news, plays which sports? By the sports of golf. Diksha Dhagar produced best ever show by Indian women golfer in majors as she entered the Women's Open at her 21st. Her competitor Adistik Ashok signed off at T40 position, who was at T22 at the 2018 Women's Open. Diksha, as a two-time lead winner, made her first cut in major 2 days earlier. Gaddar, who passed away recently, was associated with which profession? Revolutionary singer. Renowned Telangana folk singer and Baller Gaddar, known for his revolutionary songs during the 1980s and later during the Telangana statehood agitations, passed away at the age of 77. Next question.